Making your own pie crust may be old-fashioned, but never out of style. This quick, buttery, flaky recipe will be your go-to for sure. This crust is made with a simple few ingredients: flour, butter-flavored Crisco, ice water, salt, and sugar. In your mixer, combine all ingredients except the ice water just until crumbly. Now add your water as needed. For best results, chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour before using, or if you need it right away, go ahead and roll the dough out and use immediately with your pie recipe. Simple as that. I'll see you next time with more Back to Basics.